Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and today's video is going to be on a DIY lip balm that I used in my recent video, and most of you all wanted to know how I made it. So this video is based on that. So if you all want to know how I made it, then keep on watching. And also this DIY top, if you haven't checked this video, then you should definitely go and check this out. I'll be linking the video in the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that we will be needing to make this DIY lip balm is petroleum jelly, that is white petroleum jelly. You can use either Vaseline or Bioline. Here I have used Bioline, and the quantity of the petroleum jelly depends on the quantity of the lip balm that you want to make. Okay, so the second ingredient that we will be needing is ghee, that is 1/4 tablespoon of ghee. If you all don't know, ghee will help to heal your cracked lips, so that is the reason that we are adding, and this will be the best ingredient for those who uses lot of lipsticks and their lips are chapped and cracked. And the third ingredient that we will be adding is 3 to 4 drops of facial oil. Now this is optional, it depends on you if you all want to add, because the next ingredient is obviously an oil, so this will be an optional. You can use any facial oil, but make sure it is of a natural ingredient. And obviously the fourth ingredient, like I said, it's oil. We are going to use either coconut oil or olive oil. Again, it's up to you, it's your choice, and I have used olive oil here. Just around 2 to 3 drops of olive oil should do. And now, if you're someone who uses clear lip balm, then these ingredients should be it. But if you all want some tint in your lip balm, then the next step is to add a colorant, and for this we are going to use an old lipstick or the food coloring agent. Okay, so I know few of might get offended thinking that adding lipstick in a lip balm and food coloring, both are not natural ingredients, right? Like we can use natural ingredient like hibiscus powder or rose petal powder, which gives color, but no. I have tried every single sort of coloring, that is natural coloring agent, but none works. They are just powder, they give color, but when you start applying onto your lips, they don't give the color. So that is the reason I have used the old lipstick as a coloring agent or the food coloring. I have several times tried making DIY using the natural ingredient coloring agent. I have tried hibiscus powder, I have tried beetroot powder, that also is known for the agent, like coloring agent, and yeah, these two I have tried and it was a fail, and I can't fake it here on the video. So that is the reason I have used the old lipstick. I know it is of chemicals, but you are using in very little quantity, and to compensate that, we have added olive oil, we have added facial oil, we have added ghee, and that should compensate and not affect your lips. So these are the ingredients that we are going to take in a steel bowl. Make sure it is a steel bowl, because the next step that we are going to do is double boiling, which is basically not double boiling, is like boil for 2 times. Double boiling means we are going to take boiling water, and in that boiling water we are going to place this container where we have this mixture of all these ingredients. So like shown in the video, we are going to boil it in that way. Water is freaking hot, and that is the reason the petroleum jelly, the oil, the ghee, everything mix up. If at all you are making a colorless lip balm, then these ingredients should be it, and you are ready. You can transfer this into a container and you're good to go. But if you all want your lip balm, the tinted lip balm, then to this, like said previously, we are going to add the old lipstick, around 1/4 tablespoon of lipstick, and if at all you are adding food coloring, that should be even 1/4 tablespoon. Once all the ingredients are melt, give it a mix, and you're done. You're literally done. You can transfer that mixture into an small container or whatever container you want to store that in. and place it in an freezer, not freezer, like refrigerator, for around maximum 2 minutes. That should be it. Even if you place it out, it will dry, but to make it easier, we are going to place that in the fridge, and there you will have your tinted lip balm, or even if it is colorless lip balm. Okay, now so both the lip balms are ready, of 2 different colors, and this is the major thing, that if you all have 4 different colors, you can, like 4 different colors of lipstick, you all can make 4 different colors of lip balm even. Now you can store this lip balm for the maximum time as normal regular lip balm does, because these are not going to deteriorate or spoil or cause contamination or nothing as such. So you all can freely store it in cooled, dry place. And now just for the sake of the video, I don't really want to hype about these 2 products that we made just now. If you all ask me which one do I prefer, then I would say the lipstick one out of the 2, because there is a reason. Now the first merit about the lipstick ones, the DIY made with the help of the lipstick ones, is that you all can make in different shades. Even if you all want in pink, then add pink lipstick. If you all want in red, then add bit of red. Purple, then purple, whatever color you want to. And the second merit is that the pigmentation is high than compared to the food coloring one, so I would prefer the most pigmented lip balm. And this doesn't have any con, like that is the demerit. So that is the great thing about the lip balm made with the help of lipstick. Now coming to the lip balm made with the food coloring ones, the pro is that both the lip balms are effective for chapped and dried and cracked lips. So the second merit is that this is gonna stay for long period of time, and the con of this lip balm is that it is definitely going to cling into your cracked or chapped lips, because it is food coloring and it gonna stain only the inner part of the lips, which I think that doesn't look good to me, at least. But if you love your lip balms or lipsticks to work in that way, like the Korean lip products does, then that is it. That is the one. That is why I have shown in this video. So this is all we got for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will be seeing you all in my next video. Peace out.